Welcome to the best picks. The best heater core flush is probably one of the most overlooked maintenance tasks for your vehicle, but it's crucial for ensuring your heater works efficiently during the cold months. A clogged heater core can lead to poor heating performance, and even damage to your vehicle's heating system. In this video, we'll dive into the best heater core flush options, helping you keep your car warm and comfortable all winter long. Number 5. Irontite Thoro-Flush Coolant System Cleaner. Is your engine running hot? This product effectively removes rust, scale, and other contaminants. It helps restore optimal coolant flow, preventing overheating. Gelled Dexcool can cause serious engine problems. This cleaner is specially designed to break down and remove it. This ensures proper coolant flow and prevents engine damage. Worried about compatibility? This product is safe for cast iron, aluminum, and plastic. You can use it in all types of engine cooling systems without worry. Keep your engine running smoothly. Regular use helps clear debris, improving temperature regulation. This reduces the risk of overheating and cooling system failure. It's simple to use. Just add the concentrated powder to your cooling system. One bottle treats up to a 6-gallon system, offering great value. What we like. This cleaner effectively removes rust, scale, and even gelled Dexcool, ensuring optimal coolant flow. It's safe for all cooling system materials, from cast iron to plastic. If you're dealing with a clogged system or want to prevent overheating, this is the product for you. What people say. After the first 15 minutes, the recommended time, the heater started to work. It cleared the driver's side heater core of the notorious casting material buildup in 2007 Wrangler JK. Instantly made heater start working again. 1 gallon dissolved most of the stop leak that was on the bottom of the EXP tank. But some books and crannies still had some there. Used a second bottle and now the tank is clean. I'm going to assume if it cleaned the tank out, it also cleaned the water jackets, rad, and heater core. Number 4. OTC 6043 Blast-Vac Multipurpose Cleaning Gun. This tool is perfectly suited for cooling system flushing. Simply attach it to the radiator or heater hoses, and you're ready to go. It makes the job quick and easy. The tool has 2 simple connections. One connects to shop air, and the other connects to a standard water spigot. This creates a powerful air and water vortex. This tool is not just for cooling systems. You can also use it for washing engines and even shop floors. It's a versatile cleaning solution. The unique air and water vortex blast provides powerful cleaning capabilities. It effectively removes dirt and debris. This feature makes it stand out. The tool can also be used as a vacuum. By turning the venturi inside the gun in the opposite direction, it can suck up debris. This adds another layer of functionality. What we like. This tool is designed for quick and efficient cooling system flushing. It easily attaches to your radiator or heater hoses. It can also be used for washing engines and shop floors. If you're looking for a versatile tool that simplifies the flushing process, this is the one. What people say. I've been using this for a few years now to flush coolant systems and it works great. Simple and easy to use. Using a garden hose and compressed air, the water started running clear after a few short blasts with this tool. The combination of air and water removed a lot more crud than I have been able to remove using just garden hose water at 40 psi. Number 3. Dorman 626-001 Universal Fit Heater Core Bypass Kit. Is your heater core failing? This bypass kit is an affordable alternative to a full replacement. It's a smart way to save money without sacrificing comfort. This kit has everything you need to bypass a leaking or failed heater core. It includes interchangeable fittings to fit most common heater hoses, making the installation easier. The components are made from quality materials, ensuring reliable performance. You can trust it to withstand the rigors of daily use and provide lasting service. This product has been vehicle try-on tested. It's backed by a team of product experts with over a century of automotive experience in the United States. You can rely on its quality. Every part is supported by Dorman's ASE Blue Seal certified technical support team. If you have any questions, help is readily available to assist you. What we like. This kit provides an affordable alternative to replacing a failed heater core. It includes all necessary components and hardware. The components are made from quality materials for reliable service. If you are looking for a budget-friendly fix for a leaking or failed heater core, you should consider this. What people say. The product works. The design is good. Number 2. Prestone AS105 Cooling System Cleaner 22 ounces. This is Prestone AS105, a powerful cleaner for your car's cooling system. It's designed for both light flushing and heavy-duty cleaning, ensuring optimal performance. The AS105 helps prevent overheating by cleaning the cooling system. This ensures your engine runs smoothly and efficiently, even in tough conditions. It features a non-toxic and non-acidic formula, making it safe for all cooling system metals. You can use it with confidence, knowing it won't damage your engine components. This cleaner effectively removes heavy deposits by drawing metal oxides into the solution. This process helps restore your cooling system's efficiency. The AS105 is strong enough to help restore maximum cooling system efficiency. By removing buildup, it allows your engine to run cooler and last longer. What we like. This product offers a 2-in-1 formula for both light flushing and heavy-duty cleaning. It helps prevent overheating by cleaning the cooling system. The non-toxic and non-acidic formula is safe for all cooling system metals. If you like a simple and safe solution to maintain your cooling system's efficiency, you should choose this. What people say. It does what it's made for, gets the built-up grime out of your engine and refreshes your gadgets. I've used this in the past and it always did a great job. My radiator had relatively clean coolant when I drained it, a couple of particles sure, then I filled with this cleaner and fresh deionized demineralized water, ran for 20 minutes, and oh my it was brown, so I drained again and repeated the process but left it in for 6 or thereabout hours of driving, well super clean result, it dislodged everything. Number 1. Lisle 60900 Heater Core Backflush Tool. This tool is designed with a tip that fits various hose fittings. It works with 1, 2, 5, 8, and 3, 4-inch hoses, making it versatile for different vehicles. You can easily control the water pressure. The heavy-duty spray gun has a handle that's easy to squeeze with just one hand. Safety is a priority. The insulated handle protects your hand when you're using hot water to flush the cooling system. It's simple to set up. The spray gun attaches directly to a standard garden hose, so you can get started quickly. This tool helps to effectively flush the heater core. It ensures the cooling system is clean and functioning properly. What we like. This tool fits multiple hose sizes and allows for easy water pressure control with one hand. The insulated handle protects your hand when using hot water. If you are looking for a tool that offers convenience and safety during the flushing process, this is the one. What people say. It fit perfectly for a variety of hose sizes, and the amount of pressure flow was easily controlled. My absolute favorite part about the tool is it has a built-in pressure regulator so you don't burst the heater core, which is what I was super nervous about in the first place, especially this being my first time doing a heater core flush. The air button is what made the process so quick and super worth the extra money. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.